Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to train your own Copilot AI for customized sport. So you will have to purchase the plan which is Copilot Pro or in your Microsoft account, and you will be able to unlock AI powered features in your favorite apps like this one, Designer. So but I will just show you some screenshots, and I will just read it the Microsoft blog to unlock power of Microsoft Copilot Studio. Build your personalized AI Copilot, and I will just show you how it's work. When you just purchase the plan, you will just simply sign in into the Copilot Studio or login. So you will just see this like of interface, and the next step is that you will just simply configure the knowledge base, and you will just public websites link to knowledge base or reliable academic resources for my Copilot. And I link the Bangladesh University of Professional and website to efficiently handle inquiries related to university activities like this. And the next step is that you just also share your point. You can also upload document from your SharePoint, and which makes it useful for eternal. You will also import the file and data preview. So the next step is there you just test and deploy. So once you satisfy with the testing result, deploy your Copilot on your chosen platform. This can be for internal tools, public facing websites, or even as your personal assistant like this. So you will just testing the phase. So you will just give them command like test your copilot, like hello, I am bup copilot, a virtual assistant. Just so you are aware, I sometimes use AI to answer your questions. If you provided a website during creation, try asking me about it, and next try giving me some more knowledge by setting up generative AI. So you can provide me with the details about the admission, produce, or bup. So this is the question. So now this will be the answer. You will just set up your own by the reference by this link with use of open AI. So in this way you will just have to train your own Copilot AI for customized sport. But before you creating, you will just purchase the plan, and you will be able with the Copilot Pro to design your own customized sport chat. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.